1st Squadron led by Midshipman First Class Emilio Ramos Jr. It is composed of the Alpha and the Bravo Company.
Ano ba si Renan?
Wala pa.
Hindi, ano sila? Anong-ano?
The Alpha Company is led by Midshipman First Class Bernard Buena and his staff. The Alpha Company is composed of 3 platoons of young and clever midshipmen from different parts of the archipelago. They are called the Admirals because they think they speak like one. As the lead company of the fleet, the Alpha is prepared for any eventuality. It would be unusual to see a member of this company not prepared. They always have something to show in any event, in any case. It is marked by a strong bond between its members. Entering next is the Bravo Buccaneers led by Midshipman First Class Kevin Alcantara. The black company of the fleet, opposite to the color they carry, is never dull. They can always find a way to smile even in the midst of an unfortunate situation. Their sense of humor never runs out, and their indomitable company spirit have bonded these young men and women with a strong chaste camaraderie. The Bravo Company is truly a home to midshipmen with very long patience and an iron will to go on.